Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove shadows and reflections from photos using AI on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open Gallery. Now first of all, just select an image which has a shadow in it. Now to remove the shadow from this image, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. Then select Erase Shadows. Now as you can see, shadow erased. And this is the before and after of this image. Now to save this image, just select Save. And to remove a reflection from your photo, just go back and select a photo which has a reflection in it. Then tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here and select Erase Reflections. Now as you can see, it erased the light reflection from this image. And to save this image, just tap on Save. And this is how you can remove shadows and reflections from photos using AI on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.